If you want to cancel your Google Photos free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure that you do it correctly. This guide will help you navigate the cancellation process easily. Step 1. Open Google Photos app. Launch the Google Photos app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the active free trial. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 3. Go to Subscriptions. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Manage Subscriptions or Subscriptions. Select this option to view your current subscriptions, including the Google Photos free trial. Step 4. Select the free trial. Find the Google Photos free trial in the list of subscriptions. Tap on it to access the details of your subscription, including the cancellation option. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Look for the Cancel Subscription button or link. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the end of your trial and any potential charges. Once you've completed these steps, your Google Photos free trial will be cancelled. You will receive a confirmation email, and you can continue using the service until the end of the trial period.